It has been a week since the ill-fated flight AI-171 crashed in Ahmedabad, leaving at least 270 people dead. The answer to 1,000 questions about what went wrong all rest in this brightly colored box, ironically named a black box. But the process has hit a snag, as the black box of flight AI-171 has been severely damaged in the blaze following the crash. It will now be taken to US so that its data can be extracted. Authorities have confirmed that the device sustained extreme heat damage in the post-crash blaze, making data extraction impossible with domestic technology. The black box will be now taken to the US, where the data will be recovered through the chip extraction, which will be done by removing the memory board. The electronic circuit will also be assessed for damage. The black box will be escorted by Indian officials to the US National Transport Safety Board lab in Washington, D.C., with strict chain of custody protocols in place, and the data extracted will be handed over to the Indian investigation authorities. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has unveiled stringent draft regulations pertaining to hazardous structures near airport, which include demolishing or forcing a height reduction of buildings, taking immediate action against non-compliant structures, height restrictions on buildings and trees, enforcing a 60-day deadline for violators to submit structural details. But is this too little too late? As the grieving families await answers, all eyes are on the data of the black box and what it reveals. Bureau Report, India Today.